From the raw hide of the ELK to the refined elegance of the British street, true quality endures.
That stag near the gate, the one with the 12 points.
Yes, he meets the criteria. I've made a note.
Steady now, easy does it.
Watch his right side, nearly there.
Ready now. Heave. All right, shove it in. Mind the rotation. Heave. Put your back into it, steady now.
Watch the clamp there, careful.
It's caught again on the edge.
Right, steady on your end. That grain is superb.
Aye, flawless. Needs a slight shift to the left before we measure. Manifest checked and signed off. Here you go.
Thanks. And that's the last label applied. Ready for collection.
How does that look there?
Perfect. Perhaps just angle the clutch slightly forward.
I think that's the best spot for the red one.
Looks brilliant. Very pleased with this delivery.
Good afternoon. That's one of our finest ELK jackets. You have excellent taste.
It's absolutely stunning. The hide is incredibly soft. Is it treated for rain?
That's our finest ELK leather. Would you like to know more about it?
Yes, thank you. The quality is superb.
This ELK leather is tanned entirely in the UK, renowned for its incredible softness and durability. A true British investment piece.
This ELK leather is tanned entirely in the UK, renowned for its incredible softness and durability. A true British investment piece.
Yes, I'm delighted with it.
Excellent. I'll just get this wrapped up for you. And if you'd like to tap your card right here.
Yes, please, that's the one.
Let's go. Certainly. If you just pop your card in there.
From raw hide to an enduring legacy, the journey of an ELK leather masterpiece.
If you'd like to try this one, the elk is exceptionally soft.
Thank you. The grain is lovely.
This jacket uses our premium ELK hide, known for its superior strength and warmth. A truly British-made luxury piece. This jacket uses our premium ELK hide, known for its superior strength and warmth. A truly British-made luxury piece.
All wrapped up for you, sir. Thank you for your purchase.